Now, Deric, you're very welcome back. Deric has been waltzing around Clontarf all morning in a glittery jacket.
He's been chancing his arm at a bit of salsa too.
Deric, come on, liven this up. Looking forward to seeing you. New jacket.
Oh, guys, look at this.
Matador.
Never let it be said
God.
we don't make an effort here on Ireland Day. Welcome down here to Clontarf. We're with the Let's Dance crew. We're saying good morning to Sean and Mary. Big wave here. We've also got Suan and Nigel. Big wave from the guys. We're going to be chatting to them in a few moments' time. But first up, we have got Tamara Hart. I could see that name in lights.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm great. We're delighted to have you here today.
Great to be down here. Now, Tamara, first up, let's talk about Let's Dance. When did you kick off?
We kicked off 17 years ago. We still have some of our first dancers with us. We teach all adults in a friendly, relaxed environment, and we have fun.
And I mean, it's great for all ages, isn't it?
Absolutely. You see kids dancing all the time, but it's one thing. That was what got me into this kind of dancing. You can do it your whole life through.
When did you set up the school and why?
In 2009, I just had a love for dance. I'd gone back to adult dance myself, and I wanted to share that with all these wonderful adults.
Now, what kind of classes do you teach down here?
I teach ballroom, Latin, we do a bit of salsa, a bit of Charleston, Bollywood, we do everything.
Which is great, isn't it? We want to talk about, elderly members of the community, and I suppose some of them can be at home and some of them may feel lonely, and this is a great outlet for them, isn't it?
It is. It just makes you feel good. You're making friends, meeting new people, getting out of the house, as you say, and you're exercising. It's good for your overall health.
Yeah, which is fantastic. We'll come back to you in a few moments' time tomorrow because we're going to say good morning to Sean. Hello, Sean. How are you, sir?
Great, thanks.
Sean, all the way from?
County Down.
County Down. Now, what brought you down to this neck of the woods?
Oh, I met a girl down here, ended up getting married, and God help me.
The rest is history, as they say. Now, your backstory, what did you work at?
I was a brickie by trade, and then I just retired.
Yeah, so you're retired a couple of years now. How are you enjoying retirement?
Loving it. It's great crack, and this is fantastic, the dancing.
And why did you decide to join then?
I wanted to do something that was interesting, and this is really fun, and we have social weekends away. We went to Spain. We've had fabulous times.
Which is fantastic.
And
Enjoying your retirement.
most of them too.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Which is great. Good morning to you, Mary.
Good morning. How
Mary,
are you?
all the way from?
Galway.
Galway. You're a Galway girl.
Yeah.
Tell me, what's your backstory?
I was a civil servant. I worked in the Department of Agriculture, and I retired in 2019.
Okay, great. Now I know you have your son at home and his daughter Canadian.
Yeah, she's Canadian. They live nearby, and they have two little boys, James and Tom, and I look after them during the week as well.
You're quite an active granny.
I am. There's life after retirement.
Absolutely. What do you get out of it down here?
Oh, it's just incredible. Absolutely incredible. You come in here, no matter what's on your mind, it all disappears, and you just have an amazing time. Great exercise, great friendships. I can't say enough about it.
I mean, would you have always been dancing, or is it something that you just took up?
I danced as a youngster, then I married a non-dancer, so I didn't dance for 40 years, I suppose, and then came back to it. Yeah.
And you're loving it?
Loving it.
All right, thank you so much, Mary, all the way from Clontarf and Galway. Now, we've got Nigel and Swan. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Now, you're a husband and wife team.
We are.
Tell us, where did you meet?
We met in Saudi Arabia, in Riyadh. We were both working out there.
Okay, great. So you were a nurse by trade?
I am.
Still are?
Still am. Yeah, still working.
And where are you working?
I work in Beaumont Hospital.
Okay, and what about yourself then?
Yeah, I'm an engineer manager, working out in Amazon, one of the data centres.
Okay, so you were out there based in Saudi Arabia and you met this young one hopping around the place.
Yeah, I went all the way to Saudi to meet an Irish girl.
I love it.
Yeah, it's great.
And tell me, family-wise at home then, what have you got?
We have two daughters at home, and that's what started us up for the dancing. We got our eldest daughter into the dance. Suan brought her to the class. She went off and did other things, and Suan decided she loved it and stayed. Then when the guys come along, she invited me along again. We went along, and as soon as a guy gets good at dancing, you can't leave this class. You have to stay in the class.
Well, she has you roped in tomorrow, right?
Definitely.
I know your daughter dropped out of it, but you stayed at it.
Oh, absolutely. I wouldn't miss it for the world. It's my highlight of the week, every week.
Really? And how often do you get down then?
I go twice a week, and sometimes we do workshop on a Sunday as well, which is fantastic. Because
And what about you then, Nigel? Obviously, you're working full time as an engineer.
We're doing it, so once a week I come down, but it's just great. I love the learning environment. A previous dance class we've done, we just partnered up, but this one's lovely, that the way you get to swap dance partners. It really helps the learning. You're bringing people on, you're being brought on yourself. It's fantastic.
Which is great. Tell me, what do you get out of it?
joy, absolute joy. I love it. I come here, even if I'm tired after a day's work, I always say I regret if I don't go, but I never regret going, ever, because you just get such a feeling of joy.
And you get to spend lovely time with your hobby.
Yes, yeah.
More time.
Which is great, yeah, no,
Which
it is great.
is gorgeous. All right, thank you so much. Right, Tamara, you're going to hold this here for me now in a few moments' time. We have got a dance here this morning. What are we going to be doing?
Well, because you're dressed that way, I think we'll have to do a Paso Doble.
Oh, we're going to have to do the Paso Doble.
Absolutely,
okay.
Paso Doble.
So we've been practicing here this morning, haven't we?
We've done a little bit.
We've done a little bit, okay.
Picked it up very fast, Eric.
Yeah, okay. Is it hard dance to learn, by the way?
No dance is hard to learn. It's all about patience.
Yes.
Time. Every dance is learnable.
Okay,
so,
and it's all about that Spanish story, isn't it?
Yeah, giving it the passion. You're the matador. I'm either the cape or the bull, but you're the one in charge. You're the strong dancer in this.
Okay, okay. We're going to have everyone around us here, everyone on this side. Okay, so in your own time, we have the music, so we're going to pump up the music and we're going to let it rip.
Okay, we're going straight in.
Are we going straight in?
Happy days.
For this?
You're going to start with your right arm up.
So, okay. So first up, it's the arm up, isn't it?
Right arm up, yes.
Okay.
Big, strong, big. You're trying to scare that bull.
Yes, okay, okay. And then it's about the stomp of the feet, is it? It's about the stomp of the feet. Yeah, okay, so we ready?
Okay, boys on that side.
Okay, here we go. In your own time, we can roll the music. This is the beauty of live TV. We have this rehearsed 2 or 3 times. Okay.
Loud, loud.
Off we go. Put up the music.
Louder, Carol.
Now, Carol.
5, 6, no. And left arm down. Turn again. Stay there. Stamp your right. Swirl me. Stay there. We're going to do that again. And swish me. Push me away.
Push me away.
Again. Walk away from me. Push me away.
Oh, Ondale. My God, she's great. How did I do?
Brilliant.
The matador.
Short up as a ball.
Oh my God, that was amazing. Well done, fair play to you.
There we go. Deric, what's that woman's name? Deric, what's your partner's name? Tamara.
There we go. I'm off to Spain. Ándale.
Be on our next trip. I mind that for you.
I think Tamara.
Deric, tell Tamara we love her.
Well done, Derek. That was amazing. Fair play to you. The